some mess again. Because it's also going to be a gun. Or a surprise. I was not going to tell. I was going to say a gun, but my dad usually never tells me what the surprise is going to be. And I told it. Sorry, Dad. So I will show you now. 20 weeks later. Whoop, it's upside down. This is the practice one. If you hit 20, it gives you a lot of points. And the other one, well, is way down here. This is an extra packet of Nerfs. Some. These are the extra packets I'm going to use for my Nerf gun. I'm sorry. Woo! And I will show you the best. The Nerf gun time. Oh yeah, baby. See all the details. See guys, now my dad is going to help me a little because it throws us a chainsaw and scissors. And my dad is coming now.
Hello. Alright, wow, you've got a Nerf gun. And the target practice and the additional bullets. Okay, let's start to open the gun first. You excited?
Yeah. It also has an extra packet of Nerf guns.
Yes. So we're gonna use the scissors, okay?
Yeah.
Let's use the scissors to cut it up.
I think this is not powerful.
Okay. Yep. And all the youngers, you have to be with the adults because
It's sharp.
Scissors, yes, it's sharp. It can cut.
Video.
Wow.
I'm gonna pew my dad.
That's an awesome gun.
Pew.
Let's see if we have got any bullets.
Oh my god, that's actually really.
And we have got some
bullets
in this one as well.
I also have a packet of bullets. I already said.
So just have to be careful.
Not to shoot you.
Not to shoot on anyone's face, okay? Yes. How do you use that? Yeah. Pull it back. How do you use it? Yeah. Pull it back. Yes. That's
Then
it.
you
And
have
then
to
press it.
Then you have to shoot it.
Then you do it like this. And then you press it like this.
Oh, I want to do
This.
it. And then that.
And then
Now, mate.
do it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Now press it. Leave that. Now press it. This. Not finger, not on the trigger. Hold it like this. Pull it all the way back. That's it. And now keep holding. Keep holding. And press. Yeah, there we go. So let's. Again, you don't have to target on anyone's body or face, okay? You just have to target away from people.
I put on the first bullet, guys.
Yep. So this is just how you put the bullets in.
Yeah, that's the first.
Load up the bullets, and in the meantime, I'll open up this target practice. Good.
Is this kind of looks like a little minigun? Pew.
Yeah, that looks like a minigun, and we need
But
batteries
it
for
looks
this. So this is just the magnet one.
Oh.
You just like this.
Woo!
That's it.
I
Or
don't know how to do it.
just like this. That's it. So I've got the two batteries.
Oh,
so
it's
one
combined
in.
with this. Let's set up
Nice.
this, guys. Woo!
Now it says it goes this way as per
Yeah.
the instruction manual, but then this keeps falling. Okay. So I think
you have to do hard.
we'll just turn it around, and it's better this way. It doesn't fall. This way is much better. And this small tiny button you turn down. There you go. There you go.
Get it?
So we're gonna practice on this one. And what else we need? for safety.
Glass.
Glasses, yes. And again, we do not. Again, we do not shoot on anyone. Okay, we just shoot on the target. That's it.
It's the other way, guys.
Like this.
Ooh.
So let's
Everything
practice target shooting.
Ready to shoot.